Hello.
Hello.
Yes, welcome to your speaking test today for the Academy Starters Unit 5 and 6. So are you ready?
Yeah.
But before that, love, can you introduce yourself? What is your name?
My name is Henry.
And how old are you, Henry?
I'm 7 years old.
You are 7. And how are you today?
From Vietnam.
Yes, you are from Vietnam. And how are you today? Are you happy? Are you good or sad today?
Happy.
Again, I am happy today. I?
I am happy today.
Okay, great job. So are you ready now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's begin your speaking test. Okay, so let's move on to the first part of your speaking test. So can you tell me, Henry, what are this? They are, what are this? What are they? They are,
They are
they are.
they
Look at the picture. They are.
they my shoe.
Oh yes, they are shoes. One more time. They are shoes.
They my shoe.
Again, they are shoes.
They my
Oh,
shoe.
they are shoes.
They are shoe.
Okay, listen well, Henry. How about this? What's this? It's
They
uh,
are trousers.
again, it's trousers.
It's trousers.
Okay, very good. How about this? It's
T-shirt.
okay, it's a t-shirt. And how about this? It's
Is
it's a skirt.
is
Okay. How about this? It's
is summer.
yes, it's a jumper, and this is
Is dress.
it's a dress, and these are
Socks.
socks. Again, they are
They are socks.
very good. And the last one,
They are
shirt.
shorts.
Okay, good job for this part. We are finished for the part one of your speaking test. Let's move on to part two. When I say, where's the t-shirt? You will click the t-shirt and I say, move it to number one. So you will click the picture and move it to number one. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. So where's the socks? Yes, where's the socks? Can you move socks to number four? Yes, can you move socks to number four? Click the picture. Where's the socks?
Yeah.
Where? Click it. Click the picture. Click. Click the picture. Here. Where's the picture? Where's the socks? Where's the socks? Socks. Okay, click it. Click it first. And then move it right up, move it to number four. All right, good job, Henry. Okay, where is the shoes? Can you move shoes to number three? Shoes, shoes, shoes. It's a skirt. It's not a shoes. Shoes. Look at the picture, Henry. Where's the shoes?
Shoes.
It's not a shoes. Shoes. We wear it in our feet.
Shoe.
Shirt, that's a shirt.
Shoe.
Shoes.
Shoe.
Henry, this is a shoes. These are shoes. Can you move shoes to number three? Okay. Remember that, Henry, that's a shoes. How about the jumper? Can you move jumper to number seven? Click the picture, click. Click. One more, Henry. Click. Mhm. Okay, click it and move it to move it. Wait. Move it to number 6. Number 6. Okay, how about the dress? Henry, can you move dress to number 5? No, Henry, click it. All right. So Henry, where's the shirt? Can you move shirt to number 1? Shirt. Okay, click the picture first. Click, click, click it, click. All right. Move it to number 1. Okay, Henry, very good. Can you move t-shirt to number 2? Click the picture first. Please wait. Mhm. Okay, can you move it to number 2, Henry? All right, good job, Henry. One more. Okay. How about the trousers? Can you move trousers to number 8? Click the picture first. Okay. Click the picture first. Click it, click, and then move. Okay. How about the skirt, Henry? Move it to number 7. Okay, good job, Henry. Okay, we are finished in this part. Let's move on to part 3. So here, which is different or not belong to the group? So Henry, look at the pictures and which one is not for girls? Picture 1, picture 2, 3, or 4? Not for girls. Not for girls. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4? Not for girls. Picture 4. Very good, Henry. Picture 4 is the correct answer. How about the next one? Which one is not for boys? Not for boys. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4? Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4? Picture 2. Yes, Henry, that's the correct answer. Good job. And let's move on to the next slide. Which one is not part of our head? Not part of our head. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4? Yes, picture 1 is the correct answer. Good job, Henry. Which one is not part of our head? Which one is not part of our head? Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4? Picture 2. Very good, Henry. That's the correct answer. Okay, and let's move on to the last part of your speaking test. So, what are you wearing today, Henry? I'm wearing, again, I'm wearing, I'm wearing what? What's this? Is it a jumper, t-shirt, or jacket? What's this? It's a jumper. Okay, can you say that again? I'm wearing today. And what color do you like, Henry? What color do you like? I like. Yes, is it green, yellow, blue?
Blue.
You like blue. Okay, and what color are your shoes? My shoes
My shoes
are
are black.
black. And what color is your eyes? My eyes
My eyes
are
are brown.
brown. Very good. And how many hands do you have? How many hands? I have
I have
I have
I have
one, two. I have
I have two
hands.
hands.
Okay, very good. And who is your friend in our classroom? My friend
My friend
is
is
is who is your friend in our classroom? My friend is
my friend
who? Who is your friend?
is Ken.
Again?
Ken.
Ken. Again, my friend is Ken.
My Ken.
Very good. And what is Ken wearing today? He
He
is
is
wearing
jumper
jacket.
jacket today.
Okay, good job. Okay, does he like green? Does Ken likes green?
Blue.
Okay, no,
No,
he
he
doesn't.
doesn't.
Again, no, he doesn't.
No, doesn't.
Okay, very good. Keep on practicing. And what is the color of your mommy's hair? My
My
mommy's hair
mommy's hair
is.
is here.
What is the color of your mommy's hair? Is it black, brown? What is the color of your black? So you say my mommy's hair.
My
Mommy's hair.
mommy's
Hair
hair
is.
is black.
All right. And what is the color of your daddy's eyes? My
My
daddy's eyes
daddy's eyes
are
are
are again are
brown.
brown. Okay, very good, Henry. You did a great job today. Keep on practicing. Job well done. Okay, but before we finish our speaking test, can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Yes, great job. Okay, high five to teacher. Bye bye.